everyone, welcome back. This is Awesome One. And remember to subscribe, always subscribe, like, and help me out in any way you can. Post it on Instagram, social media, any way you can connect to someone. And so today I will be showing you how to fix a DX3 remote quadcopter by Sharper Image. This is the remote. Here is the drone. As you can see, it is pretty jacked up, and well, this is just from flying these very breakable things. They should make the case better on these. As you can see, right there is broken, and that's where the plug to charge it used to go. Now, I had just ordered not too long ago a charger that comes with extra batteries for it that I can plug the battery into, so I don't have to have that. So that helped me a lot. And the where the battery compartment is, the little spot right there broke off. So I don't know if this is gonna work. This is just what I read off of line, and so let's get right into it. So the first thing I read about it is anything that's connecting to where you want to fix, you want to take like everything off right there that's holding it together. So let's do that real quick.
Didn't you already break that?
Mm-hmm. Just ignore him. That's my brother. Um. So that I didn't take off all the tape. I took off all the blue, but you can see there is still some tape. I'm gonna leave that tape there because that's not where I am actually working today. I am working right here. So I don't want to mess up any wires, otherwise I touch some of these stuff and take it apart. But yeah, I'm just following what it said so I don't break any wires and stuff. So the next thing they said is you want to make sure that everything, like there's these little metal things. I don't know if you can see in there. You can kind of see them. There are these metal things right there. And you want to make sure none of those are smashed or broken. And so as of what I'm seeing, none of them are. And the next thing it says is to hold on, let me scroll up here. Is to make sure that all the wires are tight. So let's do that. Okay, so all my batteries are tight. And so the next thing to it says to do is to unhook the wires. So that can unhook. So as you can see, the wires right there, that white there, is where you can dehook the two wires. No, three. So not to break it. Okay, one down. Okay. So this is the wire. The next thing this has to do is to make sure that the things or the wires go in aren't broken. So that is. None of it is broken. So the last thing to do, it says to do, is to put all of the wires back in where it's supposed to go. So I'll do that real quick. Oh, and be careful when you're taking the wires out. Be really careful because with me, it almost broke it. It's like super wobbly now. And so that's it for today. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to Zombie Slayer. And if you watch Zombie Slayer and some of his newest videos that he just made today, I believe, he had put his friend in, his friend into it. I forgot his friend's name on YouTube, but subscribe to him. And just letting you know, the reason why I'm asking you to subscribe to him is because he's my brother